Hi everyone, and welcome back to Less Tax to Pay and our tutorial videos on cloud accounting solutions. Today we're going to be looking at QuickBooks Online and how to create a customer statement. Now this will be for invoices you've sent out, you've not yet paid, and you want to remind your clients that you've got a lot of invoices outstanding. So you might do this on a monthly basis or on a ad hoc basis. So before I get started, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like the video. Also hit that bell notification if you do subscribe, so you get notified when we do new videos. If you've been coming back and you find these are very useful, again, subscribe to the page, put the bell notification on. We like to see that our videos are helping the wider community. So I'll get right into it now. So as you can see, I'm in QuickBooks Online. Just go back to my dashboard. You can see we've got invoices, some overdue, the profit and loss of the sample company. Now to access statements, you need to go to sales and customers. This is obviously the list of all your customers. So what you'll need to do is there's a varying different ways you can do this. So if you wanted to do a particular statement for one client, so I can tick on Adwin Co here and go create statements, or I can just go over to the right hand side here and just click on the little drop down arrow and go create statement. It will ask me for the date range of the statements and what type of statement there is. So you've got a balance forward statement, which shows if there's a balance before the period of this statement. So if you're doing a monthly statement, say there was an outstanding balance at the start in March, it will be a balance brought forward plus whatever transactions you've done in that particular month. An open item statement just basically shows the open items for the particular period, and a transaction statement does the invoices and payments. So if someone asks you for an activity of their account with you, you can then do that, and you can show payments that you've applied against the invoices and what payments they've received. So it shows what's outstanding, just in case there's a query over, oh, I'm sure I've paid you, or no, you haven't. So there's three different options there you've got for statements. And you can alternate the date ranges. So if I did a transaction statement for this particular company and I wanted to go back to November 2018 and do it till today's date, the 24th of July, I put the start date in, I hit apply, it will then tell me, there's one statement available and I've got this email address, so you can save and send, and the balance is £1,800. So then you can save and send the statement. You also have the option, so if they're in front of you, is to preview and print it. So this is just a preview of the statement. It shows obviously our company name, the statement date, what invoice number is outstanding. We haven't received any payments, so it shows that the total amount overdue is £1,800, and you can print that off, give it to the client if they're in front of you, and get paid. But you can also send this out. But what the other option you have is you can actually do this for, say you want to do it for every client. You can tick this little box here, go to batch actions, create statements, and you go, right, okay, I want to create a transaction statement from the 1st of December 2018 to the 31st of March 2019. It will tell you, okay, for the transaction statement, there's 27 statements unavailable because there's obviously no transactions, which shows here there's no balance. But it also shows you here there's 3 statements available. So you can very, very quickly go through your clients and see who owes you money, who needs a statement sent to them. So then you can obviously then get these statements sent out and get them emailed to the client. Now this will only work, going back, if you've got an email address. So you see, to know that if someone's got an email address, there's a little envelope next to their name. This will only work by sending statements if they've got an envelope next to their name. If not, you can go into the client, get their email address by editing the client and just put an email address in here, and then you can make sure that your system is automating in sending statements out to make sure you get paid, and that's what the main thing is to make sure you get paid. So that's all it is today for today's video. I hope everyone had a great Easter, by the way. The weekends are the Easter break is never long enough, with kids and everything else. They're very excitable, so enjoy yourself this week. I know it's a short week, but if you have any queries, drop a comment, post a question. If you want to post a question, we'll respond to it, and we'll see you on the next video. So bye for now.